Have you ever wondered what lies beneath the surface of your eyes? What hidden worlds exist unseen by the naked eye? Well, prepare to be amazed, because today, we're diving deep into the microscopic realm to explore the strange and mesmerizing patterns hidden beneath our eyes. Our eyes, those windows to the soul, are complex organs. But when magnified, they reveal a whole new level of intricate detail. Under the microscope, the surface of your eye, the cornea transforms into a landscape of geometric marvels. These aren't just random shapes, they're organized in a way that allows light to pass through smoothly, enabling clear vision. The cells themselves form a mosaic, a complex arrangement that's both functional and aesthetically captivating. Then there's the iris, the colored part of your eye. Under magnification, the iris becomes a swirling vortex of patterns. You'll see fibers and textures, forming unique designs for each individual. These patterns, like fingerprints, are unique to you. The iris's intricate structures control the size of your pupil, regulating the amount of light that enters your eye. So the next time you look in the mirror, remember that what you see is a tiny glimpse of a much grander hidden design. Now let's explore the lens. This transparent structure focuses light onto the retina. Microscopically, the lens reveals a layered architecture, like the rings of a tree. These layers are made of specialized cells arranged to bend and focus light. It's a testament to the eye's engineering, allowing us to see the world in sharp focus. The lens's ability to change shape, a process called accommodation, is essential for seeing objects at different distances. And finally, the retina. This is where the magic of vision truly happens. Under the microscope, the retina unveils a sea of photoreceptor cells, rods, and cones. These cells are responsible for converting light into electrical signals that the brain interprets as images. It's a complex network, a symphony of cells working in harmony to bring the world into focus. The rods are responsible for our night vision, while the cones enable us to see colors. The density and arrangement of these cells are critical for our visual acuity. So, the next time you consider your sight, remember that there's a universe of beauty and complexity hidden within your eyes. A world of patterns, structures, and systems working together. It's a reminder of the incredible sophistication of the human body and the wonders that await us when we look beyond the surface.